out like your metabolism just doesn't respond the way it used to. Like you eat a little and your body feels heavy, or you try to stay on track but your cravings take over. If your energy feels low, your digestion feels slow, and your body feels out of balance, that's exactly why Mitolyn was created. My name is Victoria, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it, but I already left the link for the manufacturer's official website in the description below this video. Our metabolism is controlled by many factors. Age, stress, hormones, sleep, inflammation, and even the quality of the food we eat. When these systems fall out of harmony, your body feels it. Low energy, unstable appetite, digestive discomfort, low motivation, and that constant stuck feeling. Most people think discipline is the issue, but it's not. Your metabolism simply needs support. Mitolyn is a natural daily supplement designed to support metabolic activity, improve energy, balance cravings, and help your body feel lighter and more in control. It uses plant-based ingredients and essential nutrients to help your metabolism work the way it's supposed to. Gently, steadily, and naturally. No stimulants, no harsh chemicals, no fast fixes. Inside each capsule of Mitolyn, you will find a combination of ingredients traditionally used to support metabolic health, digestion, and appetite balance, including green tea extract, apple cider vinegar powder, vitamins, nutrients, among others. Each ingredient work together to help your body feel aligned and responsive. Mitolyn works with your body, not against it. You simply take 2 capsules daily, ideally in the morning. With constant use, many people report feeling more energetic, less controlled by cravings, more in tune with their appetite, more motivated to stay consistent. It's not magic. It's a steady, natural metabolic support. When your metabolism is supported, everything feels easier. Your mood, your energy, your discipline, and your daily routine. Mitolyn was created to give your body the boost it deserves, so you can feel lighter, more energized, and more balanced from the inside out, right? But I've got an alert to share with you about Mitolyn, guys, which is where we're going to get it from. The product is only sold on the manufacturer's official website. That means it's not possible to get it anywhere else. That's why I left the link below this video in the description. This is the only place you can guarantee yourself you're getting the real deal that will give you real results, okay? So I hope I've helped you with all of this information, guys, and see you guys around.